Alright, so here's the first version of the air raid siren, and if y'all want to see it work, you could always check out my previous videos. This was compromised. It didn't print all the way through. Really should have been about that thick as I designed it, and there was enough there that I could get it tested. Unfortunately, I've salvaged a lot of parts from this to go into making my second version of the air raid siren, I suppose. This time I've got two tones, so I've got 10 holes up here, and then, is it? Wait, no, 8 holes up here, and then 5 holes down here. So, and the respective impeller that matches up with them. Then I've got it reduced to 24 to 1. This is a 72 tooth to an 18 tooth. That 18 tooth is attached to another 17 tooth to a 12 tooth. And I probably should have geared it up higher than that. I can still crank it with the handle this time and actually get it to make a noise. But it works better if I run it alongside of a surface like I was doing with this one. Just easier to crank it up. It has quite a bit of a gear noise too, or not gear noise, but I think the impeller is rubbing somewhere inside of the housing. And yeah. Either way, let me give it a crank. Make sure I'm cranking in the right direction. It needs to go this way. Also, I guess I could run alongside of the surface. I'm fairly pleased with that. It kind of looks fancy because I have this little bit of a bronze filament that ties it in with the black. It just happened to work out that way. That's from a long project ago, and I didn't want to deal with this gear constantly wanting to pop out of locations, so that's how I ended up solving that. But yeah, I mean, well, anyways, thanks for checking out my video. It's been a nice, fun little project. And let me know if y'all want to download and design, or download and build this yourself. I designed it so I could slide this into a place and figured it, you know. Really, I just based it off of this part right here to design all this around it, the new stuff. But if you think you'd be interested in making this, it takes 2.2 millimeter pins, and the only part that's not included in the file is this. I could upload that into the file. Right now it's not on Thingiverse, but I don't know if any of y'all would even want to make this thing. It was fun for me to make. Probably not as loud as an air raid siren should be. I don't have a decibel meter, so I can't really tell you. But it seems to function, basically. So anyways, thanks for checking out my YouTube video. Hope to see you all around. Have a good day.